Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I last posted on here and I gotta run a few errands, so I figured I'd bring you guys with me in the M5. So, it's been warming up for a couple of minutes. So let's be on our way. Car is still cold, so I'm still trying to warm it up a little bit before I get on it. But in case you guys are wondering how it drives when you're not ripping on it, it's phenomenal. I mean, at low speeds, the DCT can be a little bit clunky, but other than that, I mean, the car is comfortable. The ride isn't too stiff, and it's selectable if you want it to be stiffer than what it is, especially when you're going faster. But when you're just putting around, got the transmission in the first setting, it's pretty slow. I normally like to run it in the second setting, but I don't do that till everything's kind of warmed up. Same with the engine. I put it in Sport Plus once the needle gets above 160, when it starts moving up. That kind of opens up the thermostat and keeps the oil cooler. That's kind of a trick on these cars, is you got to run it in Sport Plus. It'll keep the oil cooler because these things love to overheat on the oil. So that's the way I do it. But yeah, it's comfortable, shifts smooth. Everything about it's smooth, comfortable interior. If you've ever been on the fence about getting one, or you're on the fence right now, I would say 100% go ahead and do it. This is by far the best car I've ever owned, and most comfortable as far as like a sports sedan goes. You can kind of hear, even in the second shift mode, you can hear how fast this thing shifts. And being how fast it does shift, it's surprisingly smooth. Like, it doesn't kick you in the back. Only when you're full throttle, paddle shifting it, that's when it'll kind of kick you in the back. But when you're just normal driving it, it is super smooth and fast. And also, what I love about these Valvetronic mufflers is if I leave them open, then you can hear everything about the car. But if you just want it to shut up, no drone, nothing, just turn it off and you're quieter than a stock M5. See, the valves are off. You can hear the motor more than you can hear the exhaust, which is perfect for like longer road trips. But when I'm putting around town, I like to leave the valves open because I like to hear the turbos. Alright, so we made it to the post office. I got to run a couple packages in, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back off, and see, it's warmed up a little bit, so I'm going to put it into my M1 preset. All right, let's see how she launches. Not bad. Really not that bad. For around a 700 wheel horsepower car to the rear wheels, really not that bad. I'm on some 305 3020. They're Continental Extreme Contact Sport. I think like the DWS 06 or something. And I think it's like a great all-around tire because I'm in Utah. It rains and snows a lot, so it's like the best all-arounder that I've found. A lot of people say it's not good to downshift into first gear, but I do it anyways. Alright, so we made it home. Just a little POV drive. Just wanted to post something so you guys know I'm still alive. But there you guys go. I'm gonna be posting quite a bit more. I've got a lot more free time on my hands now, so I'm gonna try to make some cool content for you guys. You'll have to let me know what you want to see in the comments below with this car, or really anything else. You guys just drop some ideas in the comments below. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.